In this session, we'll be talking about the role of technology in future warfare. So, guys, we all are aware that in today's time, there are a lot of wars which are happening in the world, be it the Ukraine-Russia war, be it the war between Israel and Hamas, be it the Taiwan and China, and be it the impending wars anywhere in the world. As we know that there are a lot of issues which are between various countries. Notwithstanding that, the role of technology in all the warfares, be it any warfare, be it any country, be it the rich, be it the poor, the role of technology has been phenomenal. The technology has been able to sway the results of war, if not the results, at least how the war is progressing. The technology has been able to maneuver the same. In today's world, the technologies which are affecting the war are varied technologies. In today's session, we might not be able to discuss the all the technologies in a holistic manner. However, we will try to cover certain important technologies which are proving phenomenal. So, moving ahead, the first and foremost, and which is a very current topic also, is the artificial intelligence and the autonomous systems. Now, the artificial intelligence is part of the autonomous systems only because this AI is being used extensively in these autonomous systems. Now, what are autonomous systems? Autonomous systems are the systems. These are the integrated systems which integrates the software, the hardware of robotics, and the electromagnetic and the signal interface of these autonomous systems. Now, if you want to understand what is autonomous systems, it is basically a system which doesn't require a human intervention to perform certain tasks. It might be a robot, it might be a software which detects something and tells it to the user, or it might be any decision making software. So, these consist of autonomous systems. The autonomous systems have been able to affect the warfare, modern day warfare, in huge proportion, be it AI powered command and control system, the decision making system, be it the intense surveillance system, which detects and also controls various sensors. The cyber domain of warfare is an important domain. It consists of all the network centric devices, all the devices which have a computer interface. In today's arena, each and everything is being controlled by using computers. Now, these devices, which are being used for war fighting, are connected with each other. And even if you control a single device, the effect can be seen in various other devices. And that makes this particular warfare, the cyber warfare, so important and so intimidating. The results are out of proportion. The effect is devastating. It can defunk the major portion of an army. Cyber warfare doesn't consist only the computers. There are various equipments which run in the periphery of the cyber warfare, be it the control of communications, be it the control of transport, the food, grocery deliveries, defense and national security apparatus, the data cloud, the space, name a thing. In every sector, you will find the importance of cyber warfare and the importance of computers. The next thing, which is emerging nowadays, is the technology of hypersonic missiles and directed energy weapons. It was not far ago when these weapons were seemingly felt impossible. However, in today's world, various developed nations are already at that level of research that they are using these kind of weapons in today's warfare. The next big thing which is going to come is the quantum computing and cryptography in military applications. Now, use of quantum computing and cryptography in military warfare is a new dimension which has come up recently. Presently, there are only few systems. Technology is not scaled at a higher level or at a great level. Hence, the number of systems using quantum computing are comparatively lesser. However, In times to come, we are expecting that the systems, the computers employing the quantum computing will be far more than what presently being used. Now, the importance of quantum mechanics in quantum computing is manifold. The quantum computing differs from normal computing in a way that it can calculate or it can compute large number of calculations too fast. However, there are certain limitations of quantum mechanics or quantum computing, that the computations are quite incorrect, or there are various means and method which needs to be devised to control or to increase the accuracy of quantum computing. Now, cryptography is another important thing in military. In military, there is a requirement to codify a thing at one location and then decode the message which is received at the other location. There is always a requirement of coding and decoding by using quantum mechanics or quantum computing. Generally, these procedures take a lot of time, but with advent of this technology of quantum computing, this time can be minimized. Hence, these are the future, the quantum computers, they will be the future of the war fighting. The war fighting has not remained limited at the local level, at ground level, but it has manifested in the levels beyond the horizon, and that is further ahead of atmosphere into the space. Space has got various vehicles or various entities, and the most important ones are the satellites. Yes, we all know that the countries who have got who are superpowers in terms of space, they have got more number of satellites, they have got more number of conflict monitoring stations. The biotechnology and the genetic engineering for soldiers enhancement is also an important facet, I would say, of war fighting. Nowadays, various exoskeletons and jetpack suits are also coming, which are enhancing the stamina and the load carrying capacities of these soldiers. Now, there is a biological way to enhance the load carrying capacities of soldiers, and that is by the use of biotechnology and genetic engineering. It is basically use of biological elements to enhance the technology, to enhance or modify the genes or the genome. Genes is the genetic sequence, it is the genetic information which is present in a cell or in the DNA of a cell. DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid, and it contains the information of life. It will be various soldiers wearing the exoskeletons connected with each other, moving around. But there is a single entity, or there is a central agency which needs to have a hold, or which needs to have a control on all of these entities or elements. Now, this particular entity is called Internet of Battlefield Things. So, in the end, to conclude, it suffices to say that the future battlefield or the future warfare won't be aloof from the technological advancement. Both the technological advancement and the war fighting will be going hand in hand. And the countries which will be alien to this particular development will be more prone towards looking the same. And the countries which will be more up and about, which will be more live towards the developing situation of this technological transformation, they will be more prone towards achieving the aim of the war or the warfare over their enemies. Thank you.